I'm going to show you guys how to set up JawJackers and snappers to catch lake trout. Now, a lot of people don't use those for lake trout, but we're fishing in 14 to 20 feet of water. They are perfect for it. Anything under that, like 30 feet or less, JawJacker snappers, any of those auto hook setting devices are perfect. John, your JawJacker's going to go off. 3, 2, 2.5. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I saw him. He was playing with it for a little while. Need help or you got it? Boat flip him. There we go. Just called the shot in the JawJacker. Now, John's using JawJackers. I'm using snappers. Combination of both, actually. Now, you wouldn't think the rod matters for JawJackers and snappers, but it does. We're using number 2 hooks, and I'll leave a picture of the bag of hooks that I use right here. That's the size octopus hook, 1 or 2 split shot, and I'm putting mine just below the ice, probably like 3 feet down out of the 14 that we're in right now, 14 to 20. And we want to make sure that we have a medium to medium heavy rod. And these are the carbon autos from Circle Tackle. And I think John's using the JawJacker rods from JawJacker. So we're setting up the automatic fisherman snapper, which is their new version, just came out 3-4 years ago. And I'm using braid. And this is a little lighter leader. This is probably 12, but I normally use 15 to 20 on this particular lake. And we want to shine her just below the ice here. Depending on the day, so. Always make sure your drag is set. Otherwise you will lose fish. All right, let me talk about why I have some set underneath the ice, just like a couple feet underneath the ice with no split shot. And then I have a couple that are set down near the bottom. So, I just listened to a podcast about this, confirming what I'm saying. Lake trout have a lateral line. They're feeling vibrations from minnows or bait, whatever they're chasing, right? If you have a soft bottom lake, those vibrations are bouncing off of that mud, but not a hard return. So imagine like a bouncy ball on grass. Not a super hard hit. It's not going to bounce really high. Now the ice is a super hard surface, so if you put that shiner towards the surface more, those vibrations of it kicking are going to hit the bottom of that ice and radiate down and give a lake trout a clearer picture of where that bait is. And then if the lake trout comes up, he can only pin it against the bottom of the ice. He doesn't have to root around, doesn't have to chase so much. That's why I have some set really high. Worked very well last time, but it also depends on the condition of the day. Right now we have a cloudy, overcast day. They could be anywhere in the water column. They're not scared to come up shallow. Right under the ice, guys, just like I talked about. It's a nice one too. Just under the ice. Oh, I lost him. Lost him at the hole, guys, trying to horse him. That sucks. Oh, there's one right behind me here. No, he's swimming away from you. No, he's 35 feet behind me, heading north. Oh, I just got crushed. I'm on. I'm on. Right at the hole, guys. Freaking nuts. No, I jigged him. No, swim bait. Yeet! There's a nice Champlain junk right there. Not a giant, but a nice one. Bleeding all over the place, even though I got one little pinprick in him. He's gonna crush it. He's gonna crush it. He's gonna crush it. Crushed it. Crushed it. No, I put a jig down the same hole. Oh yeah, he's feisty. He's pissed. He's up. He's up. He's up. Yes. Second fish of the day. 25, probably 26. Nice little chunk. Going back in. Got him right underneath the ice. That was sweet. That was sweet. Finally, guys. Got another one. It's been like an hour or so. Nice long one. Ah! John, you got one over there too. Oh, the rod's going down the hole. Oh, no. Oh my goodness. Rod was legit going down the hole, guys. Oh, I'm out of breath. Big one. Was that? Ooh. Barely hanging on. Oh. Damn it! Lost him. Oh. Well, that was exhausting, guys. I just lost that one at the hole. John had one, he lost one. That rod almost went down the hole. What a cluster. Oh, I got another one on. Ah! Oh, geez. Feisty. 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 Feisty, feisty. There we go. Beautiful fish. Going right back in. All right, so I just landed another one over there. Bite's finally doing something. I'm not gonna say it's picking up, but it's doing something. Whew. John, you got one on over there?
I had two right
Yeah, it's bouncing still, That one,
I thought that one was up too, and I couldn't tell.
Go, John, go! Look at him, he's doing the shuffle.
Well, I saw it, and I couldn't tell if it was up or not.
Hurry, why it's still going, John? It's bending right over. All right, so we've caught a few on the snapper. He's caught a few on the JawJackers today. One of the things that I did not talked about quite yet is the slip bobber, or I guess you want to call it a slip bobber. When the snapper is set and a lake trout hits it, they're gonna grab that shiner and run with it, and they're gonna get hit immediately. If it's a bigger fish, it's not a big deal. If you're dealing with smaller fish like rainbows, I deal with it a lot. What you want to do is undo your hook, slide this bobber all the way into here, and then leave what's called a loop here. So that allows the fish to take the bait a little bit longer before the rod goes off and that laker or rainbow or whatever gets whacked. It works really, really well. Don't need to do it today. These fish are pretty active. They weren't active this morning, but now they're being pretty active. Every time they've been hit, we've only had a couple swings and misses, which is just, you know, smaller fish hit it. The other thing you can do, if you don't have a spring bobber or a slip bobber, we got a pretty slushy day today, is pull your line up like this. I have a little ice on my line. Put a little ice on your line like that. Just like that, and that'll allow that laker to pull that bait just a little bit longer before they get hit. If you keep getting, especially like short strikes where you come over and the bait's gone and the rod's gone off. Ooh! Nope, definitely not a perch. Got him! Get live scope. Tiny laker nada! That's why he wasn't setting it off. Just a little guy. He wasn't setting it off because he was just a little guy. John size. Oh, here comes the laker as soon as I reel up. Crushed it. Crushed it instantly. That was sick. As soon as he saw it, it was like the jets turned on. Yep. The jets turned on, folks. Yes, sir. Only one healed over lamp, 2 healed over lamprey marks. Not bad. Not great. Come back in. Oh, flag's up. Yeah. I'm gonna slowly walk over to it so he doesn't spit it out. Oh, it's on there. She's on it. She's on. She's on. She's on. She's on. I'm on my backing. I should have brought a minnow over. Almost just got spooled, guys. On the nice one. Yes, sir! Son of a gun took off. Absolutely screaming. Nice chunk. Going back in. All right, we're packing up, folks. John caught a few on the JawJackers. I caught a few on the snappers today, which was good. The bite was pretty slow. We had bluebird skies. Now we got cloud cover, but we have to go. So if you want to see more about lake trout, either click here or click here. And if you want to get the snapper or the JawJacker, I'll leave links for both of those down below. The snapper is kind of hard to get a hold of They're always sold out on the website and only like some stores sell them. But their trigger mechanism has never frozen on me in the last 4 years. See you on one of those next videos.